Now we are going for the general series. Now here we will be going with 3 different types of series. Now number 1 is to find sum of first n natural numbers, or we can write it evaluate summation for n. Okay. So now Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n terms, sum of first n natural numbers. Okay, now this is an AP series with first term A is equal to 1, common difference is equal to 1, and last term L is equal to N. A very simple thing. Okay. Now we are knowing the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 A plus L. Okay. Or Sn is equal to n upon 2, in the bracket A is what? 1 and L is what? N. So we can write it Sn is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. Therefore summation for n is equal to 1 upon 2 times n times n plus 1, where n belongs to natural number. Okay. Now this n is for the natural number, this n is for number of terms. Is it clear?